welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshata and you are watching Akshata's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's start making this beautiful curd rice or dahi rice. Now here I have about 1.5 cup of cooked rice. I'll leave the instructions as to how I've cooked the rice in the description box below. Here I have a cup of curd. I'll also leave a link of how I prepare my dahi or curd at home. I've just beaten it up a bit with a spoon. Here is half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mori. This is half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of hinga or asafoetida, a few fresh curry leaves. This is about 2 to 3 red chilies, and this is about 1 teaspoon of chana dal and some ghee, which I'm going to give a fodni or a tadka. Now I'm going to put the cooked rice into a bowl, a mixing bowl. Now to that I'm going to add my curd. It's very easy, friends, to prepare your own yogurt or curd or dahi at home. So please check out the link in the description box as to how you can make your own homemade dahi. Now give all of this a nice mix. Now I've used regular cooking rice at home, which we use at home for cooking. You don't need to use basmati or anything. Now I've just added some salt and the pepper. Now you can add the pepper also as per your taste. If you like a lot of pepper, you can add more. If you don't like pepper, you can skip it out. But the pepper does add a lovely flavor to this dish. So mix everything thoroughly. Now the rice also has to be nice and soft. It shouldn't be parboiled. It shouldn't be undercooked. It should be nice and really cooked well. So I've left the description in the description box as to how I've cooked my rice. Now I've heated up about 1.5 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. You need to use ghee for this recipe. Now I'm just going to fry some peanuts. This is completely optional. If you don't like peanuts, just skip this step. But I love that crunch of peanuts in this recipe. So I've just fried the peanuts till they are a little bit light golden brown in color. And then I'm just going to take them and keep them aside. Now this is a really nice recipe, if you want to cook up something really quick, and it's also very soothing and very nice to have. You can make this with fresh rice or you can make it with leftover rice also, but your rice has to be a little on the softer side. Then it really, elevates the flavor of the dish. Now I'm just going to add my chana dal. Just fry it a little bit. Now keep your flame between low and medium. Now I'm going to add my mustard seeds, the cumin, the hinga or asafoetida, the curry leaves, and the curry leaves do splutter, so just stay a little bit far from the flame. And now the red chilies, and we're going to fry the red chilies till they are a little bit on the crispy side. Now I'm using regular dried red chilies. So just fry them till they are a little bit crispy. And what happens is when you add all these elements to this clarified butter or ghee, they actually flavor the ghee with these beautiful flavors. So that really elevates and makes the dish even more beautiful and special. So now you can see that I'm frying the red chilies a bit. Don't over fry them also, just for about half a minute. And now friends, we're going to add this beautiful tadka that we have prepared to our rice and the dahi mixture. And the aroma in my kitchen is just beautiful at the moment. You have to make this dish to experience it. And now give everything a nice mix so the tadka or the fodni or the tempering actually goes into the rice and the dahi very well and flavors all of it. So give it a very nice mix, be very gentle. And now all we have to do is just make our dish look pretty and really appetizing by decorating it with some beautiful coriander leaves. Garnish it with some coriander leaves, and just bring out the look of the dish, so everyone really feels like digging into it. So decorate it with some, or garnish it with some lovely coriander, some chopped coriander. And now all I have to do is just add this lovely peanuts which I fried. Like I said, it's completely optional, but it does give a lovely crunch to this dish. So add these beautiful peanuts to the dish, and friends, or you're ready to serve this dish. Now you can have the dish right away like this, but I like to serve it a little bit on the chiller side. So I like to put it into the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes and then serve it nice and chilled. I hope you like today's recipe, guys. Give it a try. It's really, really amazing.